Hello, friend! Today, we're gonna build a new residential district in our city. That means it's gonna be filled with houses, just like the one you live in. Let's think about what are the useful and necessary construction and building equipment we already know about. There's the excavator. Look at it dig. It can just tear up any ground. Boom! Wow. This crane has such a long arm, and it can pick up just about anything. So much stuff, and then it dumps it all right out where it needs to be. Whoa. The concrete mixer is so cool when it spins like that. The little tractor has so many uses, moving, dumping, and even pushing heavy things. Then there's the road roller. Everything gets flat beneath it when it rolls. Squish! While the flatbed truck brings the materials from far, far away to help us build everything we need to. And finally, the absolute biggest, the monster, the truck crane. Whoa, I can't believe how huge it is. It can move absolutely anything. Wow. Swoosh.
Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crawler excavator, but first we need to assemble it. Excavator is a very big machine. It helps to dig trenches and pits. It consists of several parts. Let's get them all together and assemble the excavator. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, the excavator can drive. We need a platform on which motors are set. Tracks are attached to it. Tracks are needed to move over uneven surfaces. This is the rotary platform. Driver's cab and the engine are placed on it. With the help of this platform, machinists can control the excavator. Let's attach it to the rotating platform beside a machinist's cabin. Boom is needed for the excavator to dig at a greater distance. The boom is attached to the excavator with the help of pistons. They allow to move the boom and the bucket. It remains to attach one. Excavator is ready. Let's see how the excavator works. Excavator is a need for every construction site. Excavators dig trenches for pipes and foundation pits for the future building's construction. Excavator is a need for every construction site. Excavators dig trenches for pipes and foundation pits for the future building's construction. Excavator's bucket lifts large piles of ground and transports them to another location. Pistons help to change the position of the bucket and the boom. The rotary platform can rotate in all directions. Inside the cabin there are a couple levers for controlling the boom and bucket of the excavator.
Friends, let's greet all of our new racers today. We have an excavator, tractor, concrete mixer, and crane. Today, you're gonna get to see a real battle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Up, and here comes the first obstacle. Ooh, it's pretty hard for the excavator. Here comes some cones up ahead. Ooh, look! The crane is taking the lead! Go, go, go! Ooh, take a look at the tractor, though. Don't lose your balance. The excavator is so slow. Oh, no! Here comes a very high hill. Let's see how our racers can overcome it. The excavator is so slow. Oh no! Meanwhile, crane is passing through the cylinders. Concrete mixer is up next, and tractor goes third. Oh yeah! The next obstacle are the cubes. Whoa, tractor! Look out! But here come the pyramids. Here's the finish line, and the crane is the first one who crosses it. Hooray! Oh, concrete mixer is the second, and tractor is the third. Don't worry, excavator, you tried your best.
Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently, there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crane. But first, we need to assemble it. Let's assemble the crane together. Crane needs the chassis to move around the construction site. Let's attach 2 wheels on the one side and 2 on the other. What's next? Crane needs a good support to not to fall while working. Let's attach 2 of them on the one side and 2 on the other. Like this. Now, let's set the cabin where a driver will sit. Now we need to set the rotary platform with a cab on it. All control of the crane is taking place in this cabin. The most important thing in a crane is a boom. Let's attach the base of the boom to the rotary platform. It consists of 3 parts, and at the end of the boom, let's hang a large hook to lift the loads. The crane is ready. What does a crane make at the construction site? A crane is a machine the construction site can't function without. Imagine how difficult it is to lift heavy bricks and large reinforced concrete panels, of which our houses are built. A man cannot do it, but a crane does it easily. When the crane arrives to the necessary place, it exposes its supports. This way, the crane becomes much more stable. And here is the cabin where crane operator sits and controls the crane. The crane operator pulls a lever, the mechanism starts to act, and the work begins. He pulls another lever, and the boom becomes longer, and now it can reach the roof of the house. Crane operator pulls the other lever, and the rotary platform comes to action.
Hello, friend. Oh, it's so early. It's 5:30 in the morning, and many of us are just getting up to go to work. This day promises to be beautiful. This is a garbage truck. It helps to keep the town clean. Today, I'll tell you just how it works. Every morning, he goes around the city and collects the trash, just as he's doing it now. Some of the waste is recycled, but some of it is used. Our shifts are almost over. It's time to come back and unload all the garbage. Look how many things can be recycled. We can help your city by sorting the garbage into different containers. These plastic bottles should be put in a plastic container, and the paper and cardboard need to be put in a container for paper recycling. And these cans? Well, you're exactly right. They need to be put in a container for recycling aluminum. Friend, do you know what parts the garbage truck consists of? Let's put it together and learn what parts make up the garbage truck. Let's start with the base of our garbage truck. We fasten the wheel to the frame. And now it's time to install the cab for our driver to sit in. For the next step, we attach the doors. When we set the rear view mirror to make sure that the movements of the garbage truck is as secure as possible. Now we install the bumper. And finally it's time to install the fuel tanks. Hooray! The truck is ready, and now it's time to install the rest of the parts. Set the main container, even though it can be called a van. We need a back cover with a special mechanism to compress all the collected garbage. Next in the queue is to install a boot bucket. It's time to do the hydraulic system. variety of hoses and pistons. Finally, we set rear lights, or as we all used to call them, backup or brake lights. Our garbage truck is now ready. But there are 3 types of garbage trucks. A side loader with an arm that comes out to pick up the can by itself, with backloading and front loading. Let's take a look at each garbage truck a little closer. So this is a garbage truck with side loading. This is a garbage truck with backloading. Here is a garbage truck with front loading. That means it picks up the trash and throws the container right over the top and gets all the trash right into the back. Awesome. But now, our garbage trucks need to rest, because in the morning, it is going to work again for maintenance and for cleaning up our town. Don't you love it when your town is clean?
Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently all of these houses were under the construction and each of them was built with the help of a tractor. But to work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Tractor is a very big machine. It has huge tires to drive even through the off-road. Let's assemble the tractor together. First, let's take a base frame of our tractor, to which we will attach all its components. A driver's cab and an engine will also be attached to the base frame. Next go the wheels. Tractor has wheels of 2 different sizes, small front wheels and big rear wheels. And now let's attach front wheels, on the one side and on the other. Next go the engine, without which our tractor can start to drive. Now let's attach a hood. It protects the engine from ingress of water and dust. Tractor is ready. This machine is strongly needed at every construction site. But what is the job of our tractor? If we attach a bull blade to our tractor, it can replace a bulldozer. attach a trailer to our tractor, it can replace a truck. But tractors are necessary not only at construction sites. If we attach a snow brush to the tractor, we can clean the roads in our city. Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently there was still a construction site, but none of these houses have been built without a concrete mixer. To work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Concrete mixer is a machine for making concrete mixtures. It is also very needed for transporting the concrete itself. When it's moving down the road, the drum is rotating and concrete doesn't congeal. Concrete mixer consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, concrete mixer can drive. We will need a foundation of the concrete mixer to attach the wheels. One front wheel on the one side and one front wheel on the other side. Let's move to rear wheels. They are doubled. 2 couples on the one side and 2 couples on the other. And now let's attach the cap for concrete mixer's driver. This is a drum. Let's attach it to our concrete mixer. In the machine's drum, concrete is carried. Only this way concrete will stay liquid and will be useful at the construction site. To fill the drum with concrete and water, we will need a funnel and a ladder to help constructors fill in the drum. The last detail has left, a gas tank. It's a container for storing gasoline. Concrete mixer has 2 gas tanks, one on each side. Concrete mixer is ready. Let's look how it works. Concrete mixer is necessary at every construction site. Constructors fill its drum with cement and water. Now we need to mix it well. For the construction purposes, concrete is poured into the molds and then constructors wait till it hardens. Let's look what figure has turned out from our form. Look, it's a train! One of the machines that helps road workers flatten the asphalt surface is an asphalt roller. An asphalt roller consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start. First, let's take a base frame of our asphalt roller to which we will attach all of its components. Then, let's attach a driving part to our frame base. Thanks to this, our asphalt roller can already move. Now, let's attach the main parts to our asphalt roller. They are roller drums, located where the wheels would be. One front drum and one rear drum. Next, above each drum, let's fix two gas tanks, which we need in order to store a high stock of gasoline. Now, let's fix an operator platform with a seat and a steering wheel. This platform is sky high, so we need to attach a protective grating to keep the operator from falling out. The asphalt roller is ready. Well done! It is not too big, but it's a very heavy machine. Asphalt rollers are required for soil and asphalt compaction and many other things during the repair and paving of roads. The main part of the roller is the drum, located where the wheels would normally be. And now let's see how the asphalt roller works. For this, let's go back to our road. Asphalt and road metal are already spread over the road. Now it's time to flatten the asphalt surface. Our asphalt roller smooths the asphalt by its weight with the help of the roller drums. And now, just let the asphalt dry. Hooray! It's finished! Our cars are hurrying away on their business again. Thank you, Asphalt Roller! Dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble an asphalt roller. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.